Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Today I am in the garage with the KTM 390 Adventure and I'll be working on my next modification for this bike. I just recently installed the RNG license plate bracket kit, so if you're interested in how to install one of those, I'll leave a card up in the corner for you to check that one out. In today's video, I'll be installing the Tusk top rack, which costs $149.99 US at the time of this video. Originally, I was going to go with the KTM branded top rack, but found that one to be much more expensive at $264.99. So with the cheaper price and the smaller footprint, I decided to give the Tusk part a chance and see how good this one is. As always, I'll put a link to both of these parts in the description. Inside the box we have the cargo plate, the two support bars, all of the necessary mounting hardware, and finally the installation instructions. The cargo plate is made from laser cut aluminum and feels very sturdy. All of the parts are powder coated black and have a really nice finish. Like many installs, this one begins by removing the pillion seat. Next, the stock grab rails need to be removed. Now, I mentioned in a previous video that the factory used red Loctite to secure these screws. So I had to do quite a bit of work to get these threads cleaned out so that they were ready to go. The new support bars screw in the same spot as the stock grab rails. I'm going to be using some blue Loctite on these screws. I'll be installing these loosely at first just to make sure everything fits together correctly. After that, I'll be torquing these to about 20 Newton meters. Next, I'll screw down the cargo plate. Again, I'm going to install these loosely at first, just to make sure everything lines up. I'll also be using some blue Loctite on these screws as well. The two screws that hold down the rear of the cargo plate will need to have two locking nuts that are supplied with the kit. With everything lined up, I can tighten down all the screws. Finally, the seat can be reinstalled. As you can see here, it's very close to the cargo plate. I will be installing a top case on here eventually, so I wanted something that had a compact footprint so it wouldn't hang over the brake light too far. I think this one will work out much better than the KTM version. Well, that's about it for the Tusk top rack install. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, please click on that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.